Hi folks, Don here. It's been a long time since I put a video on, about 3 months ago. Yeah, so I'm just now putting one on. Sorry for the delay, but sometimes life gets the best of us and job and taking care of all kinds of business. But anyways, I want to give you an update on my rollers for 2017. Got this kit, new kit line. I got a couple old birds from last year, but had a bad experience last year with birds. Lost a lot of them, various reasons. And right now, being June, hawks kind of laid back a little bit, but just want to show you what I got going on. My new 2017 banded birds are the ones with the blue bands. I got my name, DA, on it, and in numerical order, but I think I'm getting some more new bands made up with my name and number on their website, something like that. Anyways, I want to show you what I got going on here and get ready to fly these guys. Like I said, hawk's been laying low for a while now because being June, there's plenty of other predators and food for them to get. So let's see what goes on. Let me get my little flag here. I got a little black flag I usually hop in the air with. I'm a spook flag. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And as you can see, I still got young birds right here. These are my young ones. Still training them to fly. So they're not too enthused about flying yet. Just going in and out. I'm gonna try to get the other ones out of here. And here we go. Come on, get out, get out, get out, get out. Come on. Alright. Alright, ready. Okay, let's see what we can get going on here now. Yeah, I gotta get this tree cut too because wow, there we go. This tree is obstructing a lot of my vision. I don't know if you can see it well in the video, but I'm gonna try to give it my best shot. I got a lot of more young birds, but I don't want to train too many in this little box here. I got to get some more Lofts kit box made. I want to at least get one long one here, or get a few more shorter ones, so that way I could, that way I can identify who's doing what. And there's a couple of them that still want to fly on their own, but eventually they're going to kit too pretty good. I think I lost 2 this year from hawks. Yeah. And these guys here are still in the process of being trained to fly. These guys right here are getting pretty good now. Some of them are going to take a little bit to get into the roll. I noticed that. I mean, I'll be flying them and thinking they're never going to roll, but then all of a sudden, bam. Turn out to be some good rollers. So they're still young. Got to give them more time to mature to get into them deeper rolls. And this guy here is my black one here. He's a good roller. The next few days are gonna get pretty hot, so I'm not gonna force them to fly too much. Wow. Yeah, so far this black one right there, I gotta keep an eye on him. He's proving to be a good roller. If I can get him up there to kit with the others, he'll show his stuff. And I'm thinking he's gonna start to do it here soon, probably. There we go, get into the motion with him. Wow, there we go. I like that. Temperature's got a lot to do with it too. It's getting pretty hot, so it's gonna be in the 90s here pretty soon. Yeah, I like that. So they won't be rolling too much. They won't be flying. I don't like to get them up there when it's too hot. Where they are? Oh, there they go. Yeah, and these young birds here, they don't want to do nothing yet, but eventually they'll get up there. I'll get them up there to kit with these guys. You can tell they're going to get ready to come down because they usually fly higher than this. Being warm today, I don't think they're going to be up there too long. And the other day, when it was nice and cool, they were flying for almost a good hour up there. I didn't expect them to stay that long up there, but they were up there for about a good hour and flying pretty high. So right now they're just flying low because they're getting ready to make that landing, I think. It's getting too warm for them right now. There's no breeze going on either. The other day had a nice breeze. So they're kind of straining a little bit today, and I can tell some of these birds are panting, so when they pant, yeah, I know they're pretty tired. In the next few days I won't be flying because I know it's going to be way too hot for them. Like I said, it's in the next few days it's going to get in the 90s. Okay, so just thought I'd show you my birds for 2017, my young birds. Young and old actually. Got a few old ones in here from last year. And the majority of them are 2016. So, these birds that I got, James Turner bloodlines, pretty good birds. I've had rollers before, but these would be proven to be outstanding for me. It just still in the early stages of getting these birds flying. I wanted to have some older birds flying. I want bigger lofts and have more birds flying actually. Then I can start pairing up. But anyways, so that's that. Let me show you some more of my young birds. Had a pretty good breeding season this year. And these are my Budapest high flyers I got. I'm going to be trying to fly in these guys as soon as I get enough of them. Right now, I don't have enough yet to fly because I don't want to take a chance of losing any. Yeah, I got some more rollers over there. I haven't flown them yet. I'm not going to mix them up because that's another line of rollers that I got from another guy. And I haven't proven nothing to me yet, so just trying to get some youngsters out of them. Okay. So, here are some of my birds. Put it down there. Let me cut back. Let me get some of these young ones out of here. Got a lot of young birds. Like I said, all the blue banded ones are the ones that I got this year. And got some nice booted rollers there. Got a few of them in there. And there's some nice grizzles. Let's see. Got some opals. I just got different kinds, so let's see what they do for me. Got some on eggs. There's a nice booty roller. That's some nestmates. Both from Blue Banner 2017 DA. Another drizzle. Alright, so I'll show you some of my rollers. 2017 and last year's birds. Not a lot in here, but I got to cut back. Alright. Thanks for looking. I'll try to get more videos as I go. Every day. Happy breeding. Keep them flying.